How's it going, guys? Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, we are talking about how to get Among Us working on Linux. So to start off, you're going to need to install the Steam client for Linux, and you can do that by following the link in the description of this video. Once you have installed that, you need to open up your Steam settings area and go to Steam Play. Make sure you have both of these boxes checked and click OK. Now from here you can go to the store and purchase Among Us if you haven't already bought it already. It's pretty affordable. But I already own it, so I'm going to just click install, and it's going to install to my computer. Very, very small program, 50 megabytes. You don't even have to really, you can just wait and it'll be done in a second. Now once it's done, we actually can't start it up yet because we need to change the launch options. So from here we're going to click on properties and we're going to go to set launch options. Now this is a long command. The full command is in the article that I wrote, but you're going to want to put this in here. This will fix all of the weird graphical issues. It will tell Proton and Steam Play to use the right stuff. You just click OK and then click close. Now from here, all the configuration you need to do is taken care of, so you can just click the play button. Let me get this really quick. Now once you click play, you're going to see a notification that says Steam Play will launch a compatibility platform tool. Just click continue and allow it to set up and get ready to go. All right, so once the compatibility tool has gone through, the game starts up. There's a black screen at first, but you can see we have a system, we have a Linux system running Among Us, and it's working just fine. I'm going to create a blank game just so you can see that the game does run. I'm not going to join any public lobbies because it's a social game. Lots of people are talking. There could be expletives or stuff that we don't want to show on this channel, but you can play this game with your friends, and I played it with some friends the other night. It's a great game, just kind of tedious, and anyways, as we can see, the game is working. I can play it, and that's that. Among Us works on Linux. So if you guys want to play this game, and I would highly recommend it, it's great for parties, especially because people are stuck at home a lot because of the events in the world right now. Definitely check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how to install Among Us on Linux and how to play it on Linux. I will see you guys in the next video.